Hello fam, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Justice and this is Mr. J Graphics. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you design a square of this design you see on the screen. I did this as a rectangle, and assuming if the client is requesting that, okay, we need another size which is going to be a square because this one is rectangle, so I'm going to do a square design for this one. So let's jump right into the video. I'll go to File, New, and then create my size. I'm going to do it 20 by 20 by 20 inches right here. After that, I'll divide. I'm going to divide my divide. So I'm going to type 50%. Then I enter my keyboard, press enter on my keyboard. Now I'll go for my rectangle, then draw right here very nicely. Once I'm done, I'm looking at the background in here. So what I'll do is, in Photoshop you can actually copy effect. All right, so if there is effect that you are using and you want to copy to the next design you are doing, you can actually do that. So let me show you how. This is the background. Okay, this is the background. I'm going to copy this layer right here. So we just right click and come here, copy layer style. So I'll copy that and come back in here, and I'll right click here, and then it says, where is it, paste layer style. You see, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to push this one down a little bit. Then I'm going to rasterize it. Then I'm going to create noise for that is a noise. Okay, this one I didn't create noise for it, but let's see if I can create noise too for this one and see how it's going to look like. You see, okay, it's very nice though, right? But since the noise is too much, so you go to filter, noise, add noise. Since the noise here is too much, okay, I think this is okay, right? So I'll go now. After I'm done, I'll bring in my picture. I'll bring in the picture like that, and this time, this one, I'm going to close the layer mask like that, so that we can get this very nice. Okay, after that, I'm going to bring in my titles, the theme for the program, the title for the program here like that. Once I'm done, I'll bring in the name as well, and this time, this one I'm going to center align it, and I'll drop it right here. Okay, so after that, I'll bring in the date. I'm going to change the colors to black and increase them. Increase them like that. Now seems the black is too deep, so I'm going to fade. Press 9 on your keyboard. The colors will begin to change. Just press 9 on your keyboard. You see that the numbers are changing. The colors change to what you really want. So the date, this one is the venue, right? Okay, here we go. So something like that. You can see that's very beautiful. Now I have this background. I normally use it. It makes my work nice for me, so that's what I'm using. I use for someone's design. Let me pick that. Here I lock it, so I'm going to unlock it, then drag it right here. I don't need this again, so I'm going to close it, and now I'll push this down to on top of the background. Once I'm done, I'm going to create a layer on top of this, and then go for switch the color to the foreground to white, and go for my brush tool, and then rub this place. I just want this place to be white so that the date can become visible. All right, now we are done. Right now I'm going to change the picture to black and white and see how it's going to look like. So let's go. You come here, you click on the adjacent layer. That's this adjacent layer. Then you come to black and white. How does it look like? Let me hear your comments. How does it look like? I mean, making it colored and black and white, which one do you prefer? So this one and this one, which one do you prefer? Let me hear your comment about this. Thank you so much, and please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to